I've got the Coghlan's pocket chainsaw. I wanted to see how it worked, so I took it out in the field and gave it a little test. So upcoming here, we'll show you how it works. So here's the Coghlan's pocket chainsaw. I've seen something similar before, and this is actually chainsaw blade chain on a couple of straps here. Let's see how this works. It's not going that quickly, but I'll tell you what, it's comfy. Great workout for the arms. Woo! Now I wonder, well, that's warm. I wonder if I need to put oil on this. Come on. I could see this being much easier with two people. We're almost there. I'm sure I could snap it off now, but I want to see if I can finish this. Almost. Oh, my thing that was holding it has come undone, come off. Log thing. All right, let's finish this puppy. Oh, as it gets near the end, it gets tough. Doesn't want to do it. We had that much left to go. So that's not bad. Let's take a look at this. There's the cut. Nice little chunk of wood. Again, we're talking, I don't know what my finger is, 3 inches. I'll have to measure it, I guess. I don't know. So there it is. The Coghlan's pocket chainsaw. I'm pretty impressed. I mean, that was a lot of exercise, but I mean, what do you expect? It was a hand chainsaw. As you can see, it took a little bit of effort to get through a decent sized log. I'm not sure it's going to replace any saws that you might want to bring along with you, but it's something to have, and it could be a good emergency pack away just in case you forget your saw. All right, thanks for coming along, and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.